Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying capacity and accounts. This saves time later. First, check the device or cloud shows at least the free space you need, and note platform limits. Next, create an admin account and individual user ID for each family member, then enable two-factor authentication to secure access. Once done, map what folders everyone needs and label them with clear names. Make sure to set a simple naming convention now, so permissions and backups remain organized as you proceed. Now you configure access and syncing so files flow correctly. Create the shared folders and assign read/write or read-only permissions based on need. Explain why some folders should be locked to prevent accidental deletes. Then set selective sync on large devices, enable file versioning to recover mistakes, and limit bandwidth for off-peak syncing. Also enforce device policies like encryption and automatic backups to protect data. If you communicate these rules to everyone, you reduce conflict. To finish, test everything thoroughly. Sign in as each user and perform typical tasks, open, edit, and save files, so you catch permission mistakes early. Schedule regular backups and enable usage alerts. Review those reports weekly for the first 30 days to spot growth or problems. Finally, when issues arise, start with permission checks, then resolve sync conflicts by using the version history or file copies. If storage gets low, archive old data and increase quotas only after confirming no duplicates exist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.